Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2 is now rolling out to Google Pixel devices, marking an exciting phase for users and developers alike. This update, part of the ongoing Android 16 beta program, is available for a wide range of Pixel models, including the latest Pixel 10 series. But here's where it gets controversial. These quarterly platform releases, known as QPRs, typically bring more substantial changes than the usual monthly bug fixes. And this time, Google seems to be introducing key features that could reshape app security and system performance. Quarterly platform releases, or QPRs, differ from the smaller, routine updates by delivering more impactful improvements. Android 16 QPR2 is shaping up to be a major update, continuing the trend of stability and polish users expect from Google. Historically, QPRs are released directly as beta versions, skipping the developer preview phase, because they are considered stable enough for general use. Google officially states that this version is suitable for general use, with the full release of Android 16 QPR2 anticipated in December 2025. Unlike previous updates, this release emphasizes reaching platform stability, which means developers can count on a fixed set of behaviors in the system APIs and app interactions, making their apps more reliable. While QPR2 Beta 2 is a milestone that signals the finalization of app-facing behaviors, Google cautions that the update is still undergoing active development. This means that Android itself, as well as apps running on this version, may have occasional glitches or inconsistencies until the final release. So what's new in this Beta 2? Several notable features could impact both developers and everyday users. 1. Developer verification, a game changer in security. Android developer verification is a new requirement aimed at linking real-world identities, whether individuals or organizations, with their Android apps. This initiative is designed to make it much harder for malicious actors to publish harmful apps, effectively increasing the trustworthiness of the Google Play ecosystem. This step reflects Google's growing commitment to user safety, but also raises questions about privacy and the impact on independent developers. 2. SMS OTP protection. To bolster security around one-time passwords, OTPs, sent via SMS, a common vector for account takeover scams, Android 16 QPR2 introduces a delay mechanism. Messages containing SMS retriever hashes will be delayed by up to 3 hours for most apps, helping prevent OTP hijacking by delaying access to these sensitive messages. However, apps that utilize the SMS retriever API can still access their messages promptly, balancing security with usability. 3. Custom app icon shapes. On the personalization front, users can now choose from a variety of icon shapes that apply uniformly to all their app icons and folder previews. This introduces a fresh look and more customization options, appealing to users who want their devices to reflect their style more distinctly. 4. Smarter garbage collection for better performance. Under the hood, Android Runtime, ART, has been enhanced with a new Generational Concurrent Mark Compact CMC garbage collector. This improved garbage collector targets newly created objects, which tend to be discarded more frequently, resulting in more efficient memory management. The expected benefits are noteworthy. Your device's CPU will work less during these cleanups. The user experience will feel smoother with less stuttering, commonly called jank, and battery life should improve due to optimized resource usage. 5. Enhanced Health Connect features. Health Connect, Android's hub for fitness and health data, now automatically tracks your steps using built-in sensors, without requiring manual input. In addition, the data types for exercise segment and exercise session have been expanded, allowing for more detailed exercise tracking. For users committed to health metrics, these updates could elevate the way their devices support active lifestyles. Feedback remains an essential part of the beta program. Pixel owners can easily report issues through the Android Beta Feedback app found in the App Drawer or Quick Settings panel. Problems are logged in Google's issue tracker to assist developers in refining the final release. The Android Beta community also thrives on platforms like Reddit, where testers discuss experiences and share tips. The Android 16 QPR2 Beta 2, identified as BP4125822.010 and incorporating the latest security patches from September 2025, is compatible with a wide range of devices. This includes Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 7 series, Pixel 7a, Pixel Tablet, Pixel Fold, Pixel 8 series, Pixel 9 series, including the new Pro XL, Pro Fold versions, Pixel 9a, and the new Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro XL models. Developers and enthusiasts can also test the update on the Android emulator. Most users will receive this update automatically via the Android Beta program. But more advanced users have the option to manually flash or sideload the update. This flexibility ensures that both casual users and tech-savvy testers can engage with the latest features in a way that suits their comfort level. Here's the part most people miss. While these improvements sound promising, the introduction of developer verification and delayed SMS OTP delivery may spark lively debates about user privacy versus security, and how these changes affect app availability and user convenience. What do you think? Are these solid steps forward for Android security? Or do they introduce complexities that could backfire? Share your thoughts below, and let's get the conversation started.